Nezami izinsuku zokujabula ziyofika ngelinye ilanga. Okwamanje bayangisebenzisa, bayangihlaza, ngiyakhala. Okwamanje ngiyinhlekisa, ngiluhlanya, ngiyisilima. My poetry will get me somewhere one day, vele kuzoba nzima. Bangibambela izinhliziyo mangizama ukukhuphuka bayangivimba. Sengifisa ukulahleka nokubaleka amagama bayangisinda, ayangihlephula, ayangibulala ngaphakathi kepha ngiyosinda. Mhlawumbe injabulo yami isekufeni, mhlawumbe sekuphileni, kepha nakanjani ngizoyilinda. Noma bonke sebangilahla, noma sengasala ngedwa ngingenamuntu okwalesa sihlahla esingenamacembe, esingenamsebenzi, leso sihlahla esisoka noma yinini esingesakhula zimpande zazo zaphelelwa ngamandla. Kepha ngiyazi nezami izinsuku zokujabula zofika ngelinye ilanga. Maybe I'll be dead then. Maybe by then I'll be an angel, maybe I'ma be in hell, or maybe I'll be an ancestor lifting up all those who fell. For I hold no grudges. You give me pain, I'll never give back. I know karma got my back. If you can't love me for who I am, then you better pack. It's like no, I won't crack. It's like I'ma explode. It's like I'ma burst. There's this heat, this fire, this pain on my chest. Everything hurts. This cut, this blood on my wrist gives me no joy. Cutting myself doesn't feel as good as it felt before. What should I do? Should I switch my phone off? Should I run away and never look back? Or should I just drink all those pills and lie on the floor? I know I only wanted love and support, nothing more. But they all laughed in my face, saying my dreams will never come true. They said I don't got what it takes. They laughed till my lips shaked. Tears rolled down my face. No, they flowed like a river, like a waterfall. I have no one when I need help. Who will I call? Or will I work it all out on my own? Shit, time's up. And I'm not down with this poem.